cars, go online to your fundraising page or to the Ground Zero office to give your cash, check, or credit card today.
可爱的男孩。
We'd like to continue to recognize and thank our Dragon Boat Festival sponsors. Of course, our platinum sponsor, Waccamaw Heating and Cooling. Our finish line sponsor, Tidelands Health. Family Fun Zone sponsor, Radical Ropes, and the loading dock sponsor, Monarch Roofing. In addition, Dependable Services, Plumbing and Air, BurgerFi, Coastline Women's Center, Ben & Jerry's, and Krispy Kreme.